What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, if you're ready to make some money this week, please let me know down in the comments below. Please make sure you like, subscribe, or consider joining the Discord. Link for that is also in the description below. Listen, guys, I got a jam-packed video for you all to make sure we start the week with a bang. Remember, I told you guys Monday sets the tone, Friday sets the standard. Well, Monday we're going to set the tone right out the gate. So I will give you guys some plays to knock out the park this week. Keep it locked. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Really quick, guys, I want to put this word on you. This one comes from Proverbs 4:23. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. I need you guys on this journey. Remember to guard your heart. As you start to learn what I'm going to teach you guys throughout this year, as you start to master the chart, make some money, you're going to see family, friends, co-workers start to act different, turn against you, start backbiting. You're going to see a lot of different things come out of people. They're going to start showing their true colors. You got to make sure in the midst of all that that you remember to guard your heart. You got to protect your heart. You got to do away with any toxic people that's in your life, anybody that don't mean you well, anybody that's no longer serving you and where you're trying to go. So guard your heart, because everything you do flows from it, guys. And you want to have a clear head, a clear mind when you're doing this game we're in, okay? And so on today, guys, I got a jam-packed video for you. I want to share with you what's on my watch list, plays that will explode this week, which means that's opportunity for you to make some money. That's going to be the furthermore reason as they see you continue to learn this, master this, and profit and benefit from this. They're going to grow in terms of envy. Their envy towards you will grow. Their resentment towards you will grow. And so you got to make sure that on that journey, you're guarding your heart. To kick it off this week, guys, I want to put a few stocks on your radar that will be on my watch list. But more importantly, we will get busy with this week, okay? And so check this out. PLLTR, I'm kicking it off with this one, ticker symbol PLLTR, okay? They have earnings this week, okay? And so again, guys, please have this on your radar, as I'm expecting big things out of this company. I'm going to be giving more guidance on this in tomorrow's video so that you guys can know what to look for, what to do, where to get this at, okay? But on your watch list, please make sure you have PLLTR, okay? The other one I want you to have is Eli Lilly. The ticker symbol on this one is LLY. They're currently sitting at $671.21. They were up 1% on yesterday, and they were up 5% for the week, but I see them going much higher, okay? They too have earnings this week, and so I want to make sure this one is one that you're looking out for. Now listen, guys, we got a whole host of earnings this particular week that is coming out, and I want to make sure that you are aware of any company that you own. Remember, you're the CEO of your portfolio, so you have stocks that you own that may be different than the stocks that I present on in these videos each and every day. If a company you own is presenting, you need to be aware of that. You want to know how they're doing. You want to know what they're reporting. You want to know what the balance sheet looks like. You want to know what the guidance is moving forward, so that you know if you need to add more, if you need to hold, if you need to make any adjustments, okay? So please pay attention to earnings week, because earnings week is like our Super Bowl week, okay? And so for us, this is what we live and die for. This is what we get excited about on the journey as investors, okay? So Eli Lilly, I got a feeling they're going to do their thing this week. I expect big things out of them with the Ozempic and everybody that's on that, benefiting from that, taking part in that. Their sales should be through the roof. Their guidance may be a different story, but nevertheless, again, Eli Lilly is one I want on your list, okay? Then, guys, continuing the momentum from this blowout that they had last week. Many of us made thousands of dollars on this, 20,000, 40,000 and beyond, okay? Meta, ticker symbol META, sitting at 472.90. They're up 20%, but guys, they have more room to run. Do not rule out a retest of highs from Friday, okay? But then throughout the week, guys, expect a pullback, okay? You have to know that's par for the course. You have to know that come with the territory. So I want you guys to embrace it all. But in the meantime, stay bullish. That means you take this higher, okay? Listen, guys, we are going to make a lot of money this week. We're going to have a lot of fun this week. We're going to learn a lot this week. If that sounds good to you, you got to make sure you're tapped in. So please make sure, if you're not inside the Discord, you get in the Discord, and the link for that is in the description below. And then, guys, AMD, ticker symbol AMD, sitting at 177. I'm looking for this one, guys, to continue to do its thing. It's pretty volatile, so expect some up and down movement, but overall movement to the upside. Even if it have one down day, 2 down days, you need to know and understand it will shake it off and come roaring back. All right, so again, these are 4 plays that will explode this week, but more importantly, that I want on your radar in terms of what you should be watching, what you should be playing, and what you should ultimately be making money with. Okay, please keep these somewhere close to the chest so that you know I'm making money with at least one of these on this week. Okay, speaking of earnings, guys, check this out. Monday before open, we got Caterpillar, you got McDonald's, you got Estee Lauder, you got Tyson Foods, just to name a few. And then after hours, I think I said PLLTR might have been Tuesday after close. I meant Monday after close. But after hours on Monday, you have PLLTR. That's the one we'll be looking at, okay? You have Vertex, you have Simon Properties, you have Chegg. And so, again, you got some companies reporting. Then, look, Eli Lilly reports before the opening bell, and then you got the likes of Snap, you got Uber, you have PayPal, you have other companies throughout the week that will be worth keeping our eye on and making sure we are abreast of what's going on, how they're reporting, if they're beating, if they're missing, how the stock price is reacting to this, how Wall Street is reacting to this. Is their sentiment positive? Is their sentiment negative? We want to be mindful of all these things, again, because for us as investors, but more importantly as traders, it's an opportunity to get in our bag and do what we do, guys, which is ultimately make some money. Check this out, guys. I want to put this on you before you get up out of here. I want you to look at trading as your second job. I want you to look at it and see it as a way to make supplemental income while you're learning the skill, because ultimately it can replace your full-time income, and it can ultimately change your life once you incorporate discipline, once you incorporate consistency, once you incorporate risk management, once you incorporate these things I teach and preach every day. You will see how holistically it can be something of a game changer for your life. But check this out. You guys are traders. You guys are snipers. You guys are price action traders. That means we trade level to level. So if somebody asks you what you do, man, I'm a sniper. I'm an investor, and I'm a trader, and I'm a sniper. I'm a price action trader. I'm a level to level trader. I want you guys to make sure this is in your vernacular in terms of how you represent yourself with confidence about what it is you do. And this is how you make supplemental income. But as I continue to walk you guys through the steps of investing, how to read the chart, because the money is in the chart. It don't matter about what's going on. When you learn how to read a chart, guys, it changes your life. We talk about financial literacy, but people forget about the literacy piece. Literacy is the ability to be able to read. We were illiterate in days of slavery and back in the day when our ancestors were not able to read. Okay, now we are talking about being financially literate. Knowing how to read a chart comes with that. And that's what I specialize in. Making sure that the charts don't intimidate you. The charts are not foreign to you, but they're actually talking to you. Guys, it's actually information. It's actually one big puzzle piece that if you learn it, if you just spend some time saying, man, let me figure this out. Why do this brother always pound the table about the money is in the charts? Because, guys, I'm a living witness. I'm a young guy that's been retired for going on 4 years now. I know it's a lot of people online fronting and stunting, but ain't none of them on my level, okay? Because reading the chart It takes you past all that stuff they talk about online, all that stuff they talk about on IG, all that stuff they talk about on CNBC. It's levels, guys, and you can live an abundant life because you almost, and I'm saying this humbly, you almost feel like a superhero. You feel like you can do something. You have a power that very few people in the world have at the level I have it at. Yeah, everybody can say they trade and get lucky every blue moon, but very few people can be this surgical 252 days a year in the market, and that makes you feel like a superhero. Okay, and that's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about consistency at a level unseen or unheard of by man. All right, and that's what learning to read a chart allows you to do. That's what technical analysis allows you to do, coupled with execution, flawless execution. That's what I want you guys to focus on this week. Patience and execution. That's what will be our theme for this week. And if you guys can make both of those a priority and place a premium on both of those, patience and execution, guys, it'll not only make sure you have a good week, but it'll ultimately change your life. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. If you consider the journey, do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock. Use my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.